I think only 22 students are joined. We will start another 5 minutes. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Others? Yes. Okay, fine. So I think how was exam? How was third internal exam? Okay guys, I'll start. Once again, good afternoon to all. And for the last internal, I think third internal is over. And the next 2 weeks, you have time. So during these 2 weeks, you can present it, your quality assessment and get the marks. First part, next 2 weeks available. You can take any seminar topics which is related to industrial safety, industrial practice, or any topics, but which is related to safety. Is it clear? Is it clear? First point.
Yes, sir.
So you can make use of it next week and the next week. So each student, you have to take 10 slides according to your topics. So you can present it and get the marks from next class onwards. And today just we want to see like housekeeping. Housekeeping like workplace housekeeping. Okay, workplace housekeeping. We know about, if thinking about housekeeping, some people the word housekeeping calls to mind cleaning floors and surfaces, remove dust and organizing other works. That is wrong thing for housekeeping. If we talk about that, housekeeping is crucial to safe workplace. Crucial to safe workplace. We should not think about housekeeping is nothing but like cleaning floors and the surfaces and removing dust, other things, etc. But those points should not be considered as housekeeping. But housekeeping is crucial to safe in workplace. So that is what this workplace, what are the possible things which is used for this housekeeping, and also what is the main objectives and function, and also other things will be discussed which is related to industrial aspect, which is related to industrial aspect. So can everyone see this slide? Yes. Is it visible? Workplace housekeeping. So just I have highlighted the word housekeeping calls to mind. You should not think about like cleaning floors and surfaces, removing dust and other things. But the main thing for housekeeping is crucial to safe workplace. And also this housekeeping, okay, it can help prevent injuries and improve productivity and others also. The workplace housekeeping, it can help prevent injuries and improve productivity and other moral values. And also that housekeeping, every worker should play a role in housekeeping, even if that means keeping his or her own workplace clean. Every worker should play a role in housekeeping, even if that means keeping his or her own workplace clean. And this workplace housekeeping should be an what? Ongoing process. Okay, this housekeeping should be a ongoing process, not a one-time practice. Not a one-time practice. So with this introduction, just we want to know about detailed what are the objectives and applications and responsibilities in the housekeeping. So if we talk about this workplace housekeeping, like good housekeeping is the foundation of a what? In terms of healthy, safe and pleasant, and also according to their needs, we have to maintain that our specified workplace. And this housekeeping, it is essential that all areas, that means it should be kept like clean, orderly and all necessary things in the proper places. So this is what any industries they may expecting, which is related to workplace housekeeping. So what is the big deal about this housekeeping? What is the big deal about housekeeping? So already I told this housekeeping like it can help prevent injuries and improve productivity based on the what needed, based on the needs or based on the our applications. And also I told housekeeping should be an ongoing process, not a one-time practice. So by every employees should be aware of different types of hazards may be happening, different purpose, okay, different job, different role or different application. But all the employees should be aware of the hazards arising from poor housekeeping. And if good housekeeping improves safety, efficiency and quality also. Not only safety, efficiency and quality also, which is related to industry aspect. So it is easier to find things if anything happened while working, like hazardous or risk or accident. We have to maintain proper housekeeping during all the process. There is no effect will be creating based on the method operations or working fields. And not only that, even for this good housekeeping, it's a day-to-day activity. It's a day-to-day activity which is like should not be viewed as a separate task or something to do after the shift. That means cleanup time is all the time. Whenever time is there, we have to clean that workplace based on the activity, based on the process. So that you will never know if the trap has been set. You will never know if the trap has been set. So if you have to do cleanup time is all the time, that is good for according to industry needs. What are the guidelines to be specified for this housekeeping? So if we keep work areas neat and clean, okay. If we keep work areas neat and clean, and also what? We have to keep tools, equipments and supplies in the correct place. In the correct place, we have to keep all the things and also keep stairways and other walkways free of the debris, hoses and other obstructions also. The next, some kind of objects, nails, pipes, wire or other sharp points, we have to remove when we are going to work, do some work which is related to safety, I mean industrial safety. Then keep workbenches and stations free from items that may be involved being used or worked on the present day. And if you look at some place, it may like oily racks in the metal containers provided. Place oily racks in the metal container provided, and paper cup, plates and the lunch debris including trash must be thrown in the appropriate place. And to avoid skin irritations, wash frequently using soap and water. You should wear gloves when handling substance that may cause irritation. That may cause irritation, and other things also like the last one. So that thing you have to provide what proper method to follow the house cleaning. And what are the responsibilities for housekeeping through the employees? What are the responsibilities housekeeping in employees? So if you look at good housekeeping, as you know, like that is a team of effort, and also the team is made up of individuals. The 10 members is there, so we have to divide to 2 people. So they have to work according to their needs. So the individual employee's responsibility is as follows: to keep work areas clean, neat, and remove dust and other things and free from excessive materials at all times. At all time. So there is no risk or accident what not happen. If we follow that, cleanup procedure on a daily basis. And other responsibilities which can be include to work areas clean during the shift, and also to constantly put trash in the proper trash bin, and scrap in the scrap bins, and also recyclable materials in the designated bins with lids. The next, to keep the floors free from excessive material. Any industries, any workplace, we have to keep the floors free from excessive material. So if we keep the materials excessive, like free, there is no accident happen, there is no problem will be happen. To ensure that aisles and walkways are clear, unobstructed and in good order. So we have to maintain the good order according to the needs. The next, to ensure that materials like as stacked correctly and safely in the correct place. And also the employees other responsibilities which can be included an informal housekeeping inspection of the area like on daily basis, and to rectify housekeeping hazards, and to monitor that no items are stacked in no stacking areas such as under fire equipment and electrical switchgear. If we provide all those things, if we maintain, so there is no risk or hazardous happening. And we have to know about report faded housekeeping notice and sign. Then always return tools to the correct place after use. If you work in something materials which is related to any operations or experiment or any other things, after completion of your job, you have to return the materials to correct place. Ensure that spill and other tripping or slipping hazards are cleaned up or fixed. So, as you should know, like remember a place for everything and everything in its place always. Remember a place for everything and everything in its place always. If you keep it everything particular place or correct place, always it should be maintained proper things, and there is no accident or hazardous happen. So that is what that housekeeping can help prevent injuries and improve productivity based on the needs, and that housekeeping should be an ongoing process, not a one-time practice. Not a one-time practice, that is what ongoing process. If we look at golden housekeeping rules, you have to remove something and replace it, and if you have unlock it, that machine working, and lock and unlock, and if you have open it and close. So everything you have to do it. If you switch down it on, then you switch off it. So while working, which is related to any operation, you switch on that particular machines or light or anything. After complete, definitely you have to switch off. So that is what is given when you do the work. You have to switch on the light, fan, something. If not working, you switch on the things. When it not used, you have to switch it off. So similar all, you can see that if it is not user, I mean yours, okay, if it is not yours, ask permission first. Anything that is not yours means, if suppose you want pen, so the pen or pencil or any material someone is having. So what you have to do is request. So ask permission first. If you have not been trained, you don't know how to do means, if you have not been trained, if you have been not been trained, do it, whether don't do it. So do not interfere if it does not concern you. If does not concern you, don't interfere. So they will take care of all those things. And if we spill it, anything, we have to wipe it up as soon as, so that workplace definitely neat and no problem happening. And next, if you mess up, clean up. If you remove, replace. To get others to follow and set the examples, like you are a champion of good housekeeping. If we follow all the rules and regulations according to different workplace or different industries or any other things, so you are the champion of good housekeeping. Teach others that neatness is an important part of maintaining for a safe environment. So we have to teach that neatness is an important part of the maintaining a safe environment. If we have to maintain the safe environment, no problem happening. That means if we maintain all the rules and regulations, there is no problem here. So this is something about housekeeping which is related to industry or according to your needs. So that is what I told. You should not take like the word housekeeping calls to mind cleaning floors and surface, removing dust and other things. But the thing is that housekeeping is crucial to safe workplace. Housekeeping is crucial to safe workplace. You have to work according to the needs. And if we have to maintain any workplace, it can help prevent injuries and improve productivity and other things. So every worker should play a role in housekeeping, even if that means like keep his or her own workplace clean. So housekeeping should be an ongoing process. Again I am repeating, housekeeping should be an ongoing process, not in a one-time practice. So if you follow those things, the final thing, what? You are the champion of the good housekeeping. If you maintain those things, what happens? So teach others also what is the importance of the neatness. If we explain those things to others, what? We have to maintain the safe environment. And also, thing is, if you remove something, you can replace it. Otherwise, leave that particular place, it may work on to some other thing. If you unlock it, you can lock it. If you open it, you can close it. So such a simple thing, when you are going to use, whenever you are going to use the like fan, light, switch it on, when not in use, please switch off all the things. So switch off all the things. So that is what, remember a place for everything and everything in its place always. So with this I will start the importance of housekeeping, what are the responsibilities through the employees, and also what is a big deal about that housekeeping. So the big deal about the housekeeping: improve safety, efficiency, and quality at the same time, so that all the employees should be aware of hazards may be rising from poor housekeeping. So, any doubts about this housekeeping which is related to industrial? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. I think next class onwards, I requested all the students, you have to check according to our syllabus. We can prepare some slide based on the safety purpose or anything, and you can take seminar and get the quality marks. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? If you want, this is a final chance to you. So you can prepare 10 to 15 slide safety, industrial safety, or belongs to your department. Suppose you are going to use any electrical safety, food safety, any machinery safeties, mechanical related, aerospace, computers, whatever thing, you can prepare 15 slide. You take from next class onwards, because almost we completed. If any pending topic will be there, that also I will complete before the what in semester exam. And I think you received a circular from university. It's stating that December 10th onwards you are going to present physically. Yes, everyone got it? I mean third year students. Belongs to third year students. Did you receive any circular?
Yes, sir.
So you check. If you come to university, I'm in the mechanical department. You come and meet me. No issues. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So Monday you can try to take, if you want,